How to change send button to enter on WhatsApp. First of all, open WhatsApp and tap the three dots at the top right corner to open the menu. Then select Settings. Next, go to Chats. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Enter is sent. Toggle the switch next to Enter is sent to turn it on. Now whenever you press the Enter key on your keyboard, your message will be sent instantly instead of creating a new line. Keep in mind that enabling this option removes the ability to add a new line within a message. If you often send multi-line messages, you may want to leave this setting off. But if you prefer fast replies with a single tap, this feature is perfect for you. This feature helps you send messages faster and can improve your chatting experience. Now you know how to change the send button to enter on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.